Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 7 measurement part 5 subtraction of length. How to subtract the length of what is centimeter, meter, kilometer, this. Okay. First you know the table of measurement, table of length? Yes. Which is the first? Kilometer, then hectometer, then decameter, then meter, then decimeter, centimeter, then millimeter. This is the measurement table of length. First kilometer is the highest unit. Kilometer to then bigger to smaller we multiply, then we multiply, which is the distance from one unit to other unit. Then kilometer to hectometer convert, kilometer to hectometer we multiply by 10. Then hectometer to decameter we multiply by 10. Again decameter to meter we multiply by 10. Then next kilometer to meter we multiply by 10, 100, 1000. Okay. Now meter to decimeter we multiply by 10. Then decimeter to centimeter again we multiply by 10. Then centimeter to millimeter we multiply by 10. Bigger to smaller we multiply by according to your distance of your unit. Now here now millimeter to the smallest unit is millimeter. Millimeter to centimeter we divide by 10. We divide by 10. Then centimeter to decimeter again we divide by 10. Now decimeter to meter we divide by 10. Then again here we divide by 10. Then here also we divide by 10. Then bigger to smaller to bigger we divide by according to your unit. According to your unit. Here we divide, then right to left come we divide, then left to right we go, then we multiply according to our unit. Then which is the basic unit of length? Meter is the basic unit of length. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. Okay. Now our last topic is in measurement of length is subtraction. How to subtract the number? Subtraction. For example, here 3 kilometer 450 meter from 8 kilometer 300 meter. Again read the question. 3 kilometer 450 meter from 8 kilometer 300 meter. Now you make it two columns, kilometer and meter. You make it two columns, kilometer and meter. Now you write which word come here, from come here. This word come here, therefore you write second number come in first. Which number come in first? Second number, this number. Which word come in question? From come in question. Therefore we write second number come in first, that is 8 kilometer 300 meter. Kilometer write in kilometer place, then meter write in meter place. Then this number we write 3 and 450. Now we subtract this number. Understand you? First, which word come here? From come in question. Therefore, the second number, this number come in first. That is 8 kilometer 300 meter come in first. Then minus 3 kilometer and 450. Now subtract this number. 0 take away from 0, 0. 5 take away from 0. This is possible? No. We take borrow from this number. This cutter 2, this cutter 10. Understand you? Then we 5 take away from 10, you get 5. Now our number 4. 4 take away from 2. This is possible? No. We cut this 7. This is 12. Then now 8. Then 3 take away from 7. You get 4. Our answer 4 kilometer 850 meter. Answer 4 kilometer 850 meter. Understand? One more question. 9 meter 15 centimeter from 18 meter 20 centimeter. Now listen here. Again, which word come here? From come here. Which number write in first? This number write in first. We write first two column you make, meter. Now our unit is change. Our unit is change here. Here meter, centimeter, meter, centimeter. Now we make it two column, meter and centimeter. Okay. Now we write which number first write? This. Which word come here? From come here. Therefore, this number write in first. 18 and here 20. Now 9, 15. Now we subtract this number. Now listen. 5 take out from 0. This is possible? No. This is not possible. We take a borrow. This cut 1, this cut 10. Now you 5 take away from 10. This is possible now? Yes. We get a 5. Then 1 take away from 1. You get a 0. Now here 9 take away from 8. This is possible? No. You take borrow. This cut 0, this cut 18. Now 9 take away from 18, you get 9. Our answer is, what is our answer? 9 meter 5 centimeter. Understand you? One more question. "25 kilometer 750 meter minus 14 kilometer 500 meter." Look here. Any from word come here? No. Which number first you write? Here question difference. Find the difference. Find the difference. 25 kilometer 750 meter minus 14 kilometer 500 meter. Any from word come here? No. You write the first kilometer and meter. Then which number is greater? 25, this is greater. You write this number first. 25 kilometer 750 meter. Then 14 kilometer 500 meter. Then you subtract this number. 0 take away from 0, 0. 0 take away from 5, 5. Then 7 take away from, 5 take away from 7, 2. Here 4 take away from 5, 1. 1 take away from 2, 1. Your answer is 11 kilometer 250 meter. Then answer 11 kilometer 250 meter. Understand you? Then one more question, listen. Find the difference. This is our question. Then 15 meter 10 centimeter minus 7 meter then 20 centimeter. This come. First you write 2 column meter centimeter. Then you write here 15 meter 10 centimeter minus 7 meter 20 centimeter. This is greater, bigger number, you write 15, 10, here 7, here 20. Then you minus this, 0, 2 take away from 1. This is possible? No. You take here this cut 4, here 11. Now our number 2 take away from 11, you get 9. Here 7 take away from 4, this is possible? No, you cut this 0, this 14, 7. Our answer is 7 meter 90 centimeter. You understand this? Understand? Okay. Thank you. I give some homework question 2 A to F in book. You do in this question in book or question 4 A to F in notebook of exercise 7.3. Thank you.